Welcome back. Today we have another episode with a very special guest, and his name is Krishiv. Hi Krishiv.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
8 years,
And which school do you go to?
Oxford Public School.
Okay. So today we are going to make something special. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll just tell everybody what the ingredients are and then we'll get started. Okay. I have some dark chocolate and milk chocolate here. Then I have some muesli here. We have some marshmallows, and these are vegetarian vegan marshmallows. Choco chips. Okay.
Okay.
Gems. You like gems? Okay. And these are almonds. Okay. And we have some paper cups in which we are going to make these things to eat. They're very yummy and very nice. So the first step is we have to melt this chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to
Okay.
put it in the microwave and then I'll give it to you for melting. Okay. Okay, so Krish, you've seen that the chocolate is melted.
Yes.
Yeah, you can take this and you can stir it. Can you stir it for me, please? Okay, mix it properly. आराम से कर लो. Okay, वो पूरा melt हो जाना चाहिए. It should be completely melted. Okay, you can use a little more force and do it properly. Yeah, nice. Now in this we are going to add one thing. Okay, so once we have mixed this properly, can you see it's become one single color? Can you
Yes.
touch and tell me if it is still hot?
Hot.
It is hot, right? तो आप इसको मिलाते रहो so that it becomes cool. Come on, keep stirring it. Use this and keep stirring it. Yes. अच्छे से. Yes. Fast. Very good. Yeah. Now once this chocolate is melted, we will add the muesli in it. We'll add the almonds in it. We'll add the gems, the choco chips, and the marshmallows. Okay. Before we do that, what we need to do is we need to keep these paper cups. Okay. In this we are going to put. So the trick is that first we need to put a little chocolate in the base. एक teaspoon नीचे chocolate अपने को डालना है. Okay. So we'll make 6 of these today. Now audiences, we do this because when we are putting chocolate and we are putting all these things, they will not settle at the bottom and therefore you will not get a proper shape. So to get the proper shape, we are first adding chocolate in the end. So can you take this teaspoon and put one teaspoon of chocolate in each of these in the base. Okay, मैं उठा लेती हूँ आपके लिए, डाल दो इसमें. Yes. Okay, put little more. Yes, nice. So this gives a good base to the chocolate. Okay, and you can just tap it like this and keep it. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, now what I want you to do is add little bit of this muesli in this. So can you add some 10 spoons into it? भर के अच्छे से. So fill it up, fill the spoon and add. Yeah, that's nice. Add more. आराम से you can add. Half of this bowl we have to add it into this chocolate, so you can add more. Okay. Yes. So if you can see, it's got cornflakes, it's got Kellogg's, it got raisin, oats, all the good things. Yeah. Yeah. You can just put it in the center. We are going to anyway mix it. So what we'll do is, now from this only, I'll add a little more like this. Okay. Now we have left it here. Keep the spoon here. Now add the almonds. Add the almonds into this. Very nice. Now we are going to add the choco chips. You like chocolate chips? Yeah. Okay. Put half of that. Yeah. It's already got too much chocolate, no? So we don't want to add more chocolate. That's it. Okay. Now the gems and the marshmallows we are going to use for decoration. Alright. Now we'll leave this to set in the fridge and we'll mix this. So now we've put the chocolate to set. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll mix it. Okay. Can you mix this for me? So tell me, Krishiv, what did you do yesterday? Did you go down to play with your friends?
Yes.
क्या खेल रहे थे आप?
साइकिलिंग.
साइकिलिंग किया आपने? अच्छा. और कौन है आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? अर्थ,
अंश,
अंश, अच्छा। और अंश कौन से स्कूल में जाता है?
जॉली किड्स,
जॉली किड्स में जाता है, अच्छा, वेरी नाइस। तो इसको हमने अच्छे से अभी मिक्स कर दिया है, राइट। व्हाइल वी डू दैट, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ फ्यू मार्शमेलोज. आई वांट यू टू कट देम. टेक, just put it in, cut it into half like this. Can you do that for me? Yeah, take. Very nice. थोड़ा जोर लगा दो अच्छे से, हाँ. Very nice. अभी इसको काटो, इसको हाफ कर दो. Yeah, nice work. Easy, isn't it? So these knives, no, they are very safe for kids. It's not very sharp, but you can cut with it. तो उंगली नहीं कटती है उससे. Okay, cutting हो गया है अपना. Now we will get our chocolate cups and we will pour this on top. So you can see the chocolate is set, okay, in all these cups. Now we can pour our muesli mix in it and then decorate it with marshmallows and gems, yeah. And then we'll put it to set and we'll do a round of rapid fire. You'll answer some questions for me, yes?
yes,
So take this spoon, I'll show you one and then you can do more. So open the cup a little bit, okay, and you add this in the center, okay. You add this here like this, like big till the top, okay. And then once you put this, okay, you wait for it to form a circle like this and then you add a few marshmallows on top like this for decoration, yeah. And you can add a few gems. How about that? Yeah, you like this? Yeah, you'll make that? You're very good at this, Krisha. Good, very nice. Now what will you put on top?
marshmallow,
Yes, please. Yeah, please add the marshmallows and the gems. Decorate it. Okay. Very nice. Yeah, let's take the next cup. Take the next one now. So we are done. Great job, Krishiv. You made this. We'll put this to set and then we will do the rapid fire. Okay. So Krishiv, now we are going to do rapid fire. Who's your favorite person? सबसे प्यारा कौन है आपका?
V1,
V1. और V1 के लिए आपको अगर कुछ बनाना होगा तो आप क्या बनाओगे? What will you make for him?
chocolate,
Chocolate you'll make. What we made today you'll make for him. You'll give him. You'll share with him. Yeah. Okay. And what do you want to be when you grow up? Want to be a policeman? I heard. Is it? Yeah. तो क्या करोगे आप? चोरों को मारोगे? फिर
जेल में डालूंगा,
जेल में डालोगे. गेम्स खेलते हो ना आप? कौन सा गेम अच्छा लगता है आपको खेलने को?
कार,
Car games. Okay. And how many cars do you have? Toy cars do you have? How many do you have? कितने?
so many,
So many, really? You have a collection. Okay, and you have Fast Track, and you have BMW and all those other toys, whatever they're called. And do you play with your friends? And what do you do in your free time in the evening otherwise? शाम को जाके क्या करते हो घर पे?
cycling,
Cycling, alright. तो अभी आप जो बनाया है अपने चॉकलेट का, whom will you like to give?
family,
Only your family. Okay. So are you ready now to taste and see how it has turned out? Yeah. So Krishiv, our marshmallow cups with chocolate are ready and now we have to taste. So would you like to taste? Take into a bite, okay? Remove this and bite into it. It's got a lot of chocolate into it and tell me how it is.
nice,
It is nice. बड़ा बाइट लो, जो मार्शमेलोस भी आएगा आपको साथ में और सब. और अगर मैं बोलूँ 10 में से मार्क्स देना है इसको तो कितना मार्क्स दोगे?
11,
11 out of 10. Very nice. High five कर दो. So now you are a chef and you like this. You want to take this home for your friends and your family. Yeah. Well done. Thank you so much for coming, Krishiv, for this show. Yeah.